Black Inventor of the Week. This week's Black Inventor of the Week is Norbert Rillieux. Norbert Rillieux was a brilliant inventor from Louisiana who made a big difference in how sugar was made. He invented a special machine called the multiple effect evaporator, which made sugar faster, safer, and better by using steam to heat the sugar in a way that didn't burn it. This machine made sugar making easier and safer for workers too. Even though some people tried to stop his ideas, Norbert's invention helped many sugar factories save time and money. Norbert Rillieux even came up with a plan to fight yellow fever in New Orleans by drying out mosquito-filled swamps. But it wasn't used. Norbert eventually moved to France, where he kept inventing and learning new things until he passed away. People today still remember him as one of the greatest inventors in sugar making. If you would like to learn more about Black inventors, please get your parents to buy the book Black Tech Leaders in Technology. Yesterday, Today and Tomorrow, by Teresa Merritt Watson. Black Inventors Rock. I'm Cairo. See you next time.